Hey guys, it's Buffalo212 here, and today I'm going to be doing the Freedom Party. Yay! Woohoo! Okay, so in the Jamaa joiner, it says Freedom Party. Okay, so we are going to do that today. Let's go. Okay, so as you can see, when you go inside, it has this beautiful sunset. It's really cool. Black, the stars, blue, and then pinkish pulvers. I don't know, something. And then you can come over here on this side, and then you can get lanterns. Woohoo! And all these kind of stuff. Pyro, fireworks stand. How big is that? I don't know. Star table. Shooting star table, starlight table, and shooting star. I'm gonna get this star table really bad. I'll get that when I get enough coins. And then when you come over this side, you can get a whole bunch of things. Ooh, it's cute. Let's change to my bunny because there's more cute things that fit the bunny. Instead of a pig. Like that flower, crown, and the bone thing. It's pretty cute. Freedom thing. It's funny. Everything is red, white, and blue. That's pretty cool. Okay, so that's, I guess that's all for this party view thing. Oh, and there's a castle, and there's some things over here too. Over here. And so I'm going to end this video. It's kind of really short, but it's okay. It's fine. So I hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video.